Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All praise is due to Allah, and blessings and salutations and peace be upon His messenger, servant and Prophet Muhammad, and upon his family members and companions, and whoever follows his guidance until the day of resurrection. My dear brothers and sisters, peace should be nature of Muslim, not violence. Yes, peace should be nature of Muslim. What is the meaning of Islam? The meaning of Islam is peace. The person who receives Islam, the person who allows Islam, accepts Islam, that means he allowed thought of peace. He allowed a peaceful ideology. So, peace should be nature of Muslim. What is our identity? Our identity is we are followers of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he was rahmatan lil alamin, not for Muslim community. He was rahmah for all universe, for all creatures, Muslim, non-Muslim, for all human beings. So we are followers of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And what was the nature of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? The nature of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was peace, love, compassion. These things was nature of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But we love to do violence. We should ensure peace for all human beings in this life and hereafter life also. That's our duty. To kill people, to make violence, to do any occurrence, to do wrong things, that's not our nature, and that should not be our behavior. Muslim should be peaceful in his communicating, in his behavior, in his character. So Muslim should be peaceful in his every movement. So peace is not destination things. Peace is natural thing. Peace should not be our goal to achieve. Peace should not be destination to get. No, peace should be nature of all Muslim. We should create peace. If you want to get peace, you won't get. You who create peace. Peace, we should create peaceful community, peaceful family, peaceful environment, peaceful society, peaceful country. For example, when we go to mosque, we get very peaceful environment. Who created this peaceful environment? We are Muslim. We create this environment peaceful. We made this environment peaceful. So why not in our house? Why not in our residence? Why not in our workplace? Why not in our marketplace? Why not everywhere? So we are responsible. We are responsible to create peace, to make peace, to give peace, to maintain peace, to develop peaceful family, to develop peaceful community, to develop peaceful society. We are Muslim. We are responsible to develop peace, to spread peace among the whole human nation. So, I think we forgot our real identity. Nature of Muslims should be peace, peaceful. That's our identity. We should fix, we should ensure peace in this life and hereafter life also. That's our duty. So, my dear brothers and sisters, try to understand what is our principal duty, and don't forget your real identity and identity of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and principal duty of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.